Okay. Let me know if you hear it dings. Sometimes I can't hear it. All right, now, so we're doing 4 quantum numbers. We're doing NLX, and we're doing for Z equals 58. Correct? For Z equals 58. Right? Yes? And all you're going to get is a periodic table, a blank periodic table, and you have to be able to count. And you have to know the pattern the counting goes through the periodic table. Correct? Yes or no? Excellent. So, so we know that the NLX is going to be, well, we know, what do we know? I mean, there's certain numbers you maybe want to memorize, or at least memorize through doing the problems. Does anybody know where a certain number is in the periodic table? Anybody? Where's 86? Anybody know where 86 is? Yes, Alex. On the right, radium. That's very, radon, sorry, radon. That's very good, Alex, very good. Radon, very good. Another one that's really good to know is 56. 56 is barium. Because why is 56 important? 56 is going to be, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6s2, right? Is 56. And then it goes down to 57, which is 4f1, 4f2, right? So we know that the 58, based on our applications and doing problems ad infinitum, is going to be 4f2. Are you with me so far? Okay, now the first 2 quantum numbers are easy. 4 and 3. Why 3? Everybody got 3? Okay? Now, any problems I give you on these quizzes are going to be pre-exception, even though there's no exceptions in chemistry, I feel. All right, pre-exception. Clear? Okay, good. So, what's M? Let's look at M for a minute. Can I write M right here? Is M right here? 0, 0. These are orbitals. Can you see that 4th orbital down? Can you see that? Can you see that? It's a question, Linda. You can't see it. Okay, can you see it now? You can. Okay, good. So these are these are called, what am I doing? Yes. These are called orbitals, right? They're where I put in the little electrons. They're called orbitals. And this is going to be 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Correct? Yes? If you haven't looked at any of the videos, which is not a good thing, you might want to at least start looking at the ones I make this week. Yes? Okay? I'll keep them short and to the point. Okay? All right. So this is going to be, we're going to use this one, right? For F. So let's write that over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes? Are you with me? Yes? Okay. So how many electrons do I have to put in? 2 electrons, right? So we put them in like this. Just 2, is that it? Now, where is that orbital relative to this map? This is called a map. I call it a map, okay? Can you see this orbital here, Ginny? Where it is over here? Which one is it? Alex, which one is it? What number heat down here? Can you see these numbers? Okay. Which orbital here? I have 7, starting from the left, right? Which orbital is that one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it? Excellent. What number is underneath that orbital? Shall I help you read the board? It's a poorly drawn -2. Right? Yes? No, I know. I understand. So, in other words, it looks like this. Is this clearer? So it's 0, -1, -2, -3, +1, +2, +3. My shoulder's still hurting a lot. So do you see that it's this one here, big guy? Do you see that it's this one here? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. So it would be -2 here. See that? Yes or no? Everybody? Mr. Lee? 1 and 2, you understand? Okay, good. Now, this is what positive 1/2 looks like. This is what negative 1/2 looks like. What is it going to be? What is it? It's going to be this one, right? Easy. Give you the Z. You give me this. You give me this, 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 and this. Clear? Shall we do another one?
Yes.
Shall we do one more?
Yes, sir.
One more? Yes, senor. Shall I explain M again? That's not a problem. Okay? I'll give you a kind of a verbal how to cue this. You ready? You ready? Okay, fine. Baslin, can you write the NLX, yes or no? Are you pretty comfortable in writing that for the... You are. You are. Are you? Yes. You can write it. Yes. Okay, good. Good. So you write this, right? Yeah, I'm just going to do the M for you. How do I do the M? Can I erase all of this? Is that okay? And I'm going to do just the M for what we just did, okay? You sure? Okay, good. I'm going to put on the board, while you take the quiz, I'm going to put on the board this. Okay? Okay? Yes? I'm going to put that on, I'm going to leave that on the board, okay? Is that okay? Okay, now. You have 58, right? Can you see over here? Can I see? Yes? Kind of, yes or no? I need to know, can you see my hand?
Yes.
Okay, good. 58. You know, Baslin, you can do this, right? 4F2, yes or no? Good. Do you know that that's an F? Do you know that that letter is an F? Are you sure? X. You know that this is F, that this is D, P, S. You know that, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go do this. You know that's F, right? Right? So you're going to go on your paper. Can you do that? Can you write 7? Can you remember that F is 14, 2 electrons per F. I need 7 orbitals. Yes? That's an orbital. Do you understand that, Baslin? Yes or no? I'm asking you a question. I need a firm yes or a firm no. Excellent. Not very firm, but okay. That's the best I'm going to get out of you. Okay, good. Excellent. Now, do you know, Baslin, do you know that I'm going to number these? Can you number those? Can you number them? Can you number them? Yes or no? Give me the firm, embrace your answer. What's the answer? Yes or no? Yes. Excellent. Okay, good. All right. Excellent. How many electrons are there? Now you're going to look at the 2. Okay? You recognize that as a number. Hold up 2 fingers. Excellent. No, that's 1 finger. No, I'm kidding. Hold up 2 fingers. Excellent. Okay, good. Now, can you read from left to right? I'm asking you a question. Can you read from left to right? Excellent. So can you start putting electrons in one at a time, half filled first? What rule is that? Anybody? What rule is that? Look that up, Laura. Look up the rule that says you half fill all orbitals first. You don't put both in the first. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Okay, good. Can you? All right. So now, where are you going to put the second electron? Baslin, are you good? Can you do this? Can you do this? 1. You with me? How many more are left? How many are left? 1 more? How many are left? 1 more. You all right with that? Now, what number is underneath the last electron that I put in the orbitals? -2, right? That's it, man. That's all she wrote. Yes, you have a question? You're going to answer the question. No, you have a question? Yes, sir. I can't hear you.
Where does the 4 come?
The 4 here? Okay, because when you count, do you know, can you go over to that periodic table for me, Alex, just really quickly, and point to 56, the 56th element. I feel like I'm giving play-by-play. Alex is now at the periodic table and he's pointing to the 56th element. Would you do that, please? Would you point to the 58th element? Excellent. Now, what region is that? S, P, D, or F? It's F. Very good. Excellent. And where is F seen for the first time in quantum mechanics? Is it seen in energy level 1, 2, 3, or 4? Where is it seen for the very first time? Let me help you. Yeah, it's seen for the first time in 4, right? Is that what you said? Excellent. So run your hand across that row that you see 58 in. You see 58? Put your hand on 57. And now go across that row. So I'm going to ask you a question, a yes or no question. That row would be 4F. Correct?
Yeah.
What row would be underneath it? What row would be under 4F if it's still in the F region? What number comes after 4? Excellent. So that would be 5F, right? So that's where you get those numbers. Okay? Yes? Are you with me? Excellent. That's where you get that 4, and that's where you get those numbers. And what we'll do is, before I give you the next quiz, the actual quiz, we'll review what each row is, okay? Okay, so that's the end of that video. But what I'll do is, I'll quit this video, and then I'll put on, shall we do another one? Let's do 86. I want NLX, and I want the 4 NLX. I want the 4 quantum numbers, okay, for number 86, okay? And we'll be back.